Russia has begun production of the first batch of COVID-19 vaccines. According to media reports, this was informed by the Health Ministry in a statement released yesterday. Russian President Vladimir Putin on Tuesday announced the world's first registered vaccine against the novel coronavirus, Sputnik V, which is named after the space satellite launched by Moscow in 1957. Russia will offer the vaccine to other countries once its own citizens are vaccinated, Health Minister Mikhail Muraz said Wednesday, adding that doubts over the effectiveness of the vaccine are unfounded. Manipuri Students Federation (MSF) today observed the 16th anniversary of Pm Superfast at TYC ground located at Kwakatil Takhelamam Laikai in Imphal. Chitarajan self-immolated at Bishanpur on August 15, 2004 to demand complete revocation of the controversial Armed Forces Special Powers Act (AFSPA). Northeast India is set to witness heavy to very heavy rains for the next 2 to 3 days, said the India Meteorological Department. As per a media report, the IMD informed that scattered to widespread rainfall across Northeast India with isolated heavy to very heavy showers and thunderstorms is likely to occur over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Meghalaya. The conditions over the above three states will be slightly de-intensified today, while Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura will receive isolated heavy rains today and tomorrow. The whole Northeast is under orange alert, said IMD. A spike of 63,489 coronavirus cases in 24 hours took India's COVID-19 tally to over 25.89 lakhs today, while the number of fatalities neared 50,000 with 944 deaths due to the infection, the Union Health Ministry data showed. The total coronavirus cases in India on Sunday stood at 25,89,682, while the death toll climbed to 49,980. Today's updated data showed there are 6,77,444 active cases in the country. Manipur registered 192 new cases of COVID-19 in the last 24 hours, 61 from the general population and 131 from the Central Armed Police Forces (CAPF). With this, the infection tally in the state has mounted to 4,390. Manipur now has 1,939 active cases. In the past 24 hours, 78 persons were discharged from different COVID care centers. Currently, the recovery rate of the state is 55.53%. To help maintain respiratory and hand hygiene during the COVID-19 pandemic, workers of Health Minister and Kaisamthong MLA Langpolabam Jayantakumar today distributed face masks and hand sanitizers to the residents of Kaisamthong SC. Manipuri Meitei Association Bangalore (MMAB) has said a police case was registered against Ais Guneswar for allegedly assaulting a 14-year-old girl hailing from Manipur who was employed by him as a domestic helper in Bengaluru. MMAB in a release strongly condemned employment of child and child abuse. A Manipur Bishnupriya Manipuri (MBM) YouTube news channel was launched today. GD News Network JNN Editor-in-Chief Oinam Dilip Kumar Mitei and MBM Network Committee Jiribam Advisor L. Rajan were present at the launch function. All Assam Manipuri Students Union AMSU Karimganj District Committee has submitted a memorandum to Patharkandi Constituency MLA Krishnendu Paul demanding protection and preservation of Manipuri language in Assam. According to our Assam correspondent, the MLA has given assurance to AMSU that he will bring up the issue in the Assam State Assembly for discussion. Sengsai Mahmood, president of BGG International Sports Academy of Martial Arts, a global expert today in a video conference said that the work of setting up an international branch of BGG Sports Academy in Manipur will begin soon. Meanwhile, All Martial Arts Sports Association of Manipur Joint Secretary L. Singhajit expressed happiness over the development. Assam registered 1,057 new COVID-19 positive cases in the last 24 hours, while 1,593 patients were discharged from various hospitals across the state. Assam Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma shared the news on Twitter today. Assam currently has 22,087 active cases. 7 more positive patients succumbed to COVID-19 in Assam yesterday, taking the state's death toll to 182.